guys, what is up? I don't know, I'm gonna fix you guys really fast. There we go. I don't know what's going on, but anyway, so this video is going to be a Kobe Bryant, like I don't know, rest in peace kind of look, I guess. I don't even know, I'm like lost of words, because Kobe is one of my favorite basketball players, and I say one of them because he's one of them. Michael Jordan is like also right there. I'm a huge Lakers fan. I've always been a Lakers fan. That's my team, and yeah, always. And I actually even have a picture of my girls wearing a shirt that I bought them with like the stitching numbers of his number and stuff. And I'll post a picture right here of my girls. And that's when they were little. My girls are already older than that. I believe that picture was like in 2017. I think it's like way less than that though, because it popped up 2017 on my phone, but I don't think that's what it was. It's a lot. I think my Addison was maybe like in kinder when this picture was taken, and she's already like 13. Destiny was like, I don't know, she was like a 4th grader, and she's already like a 10th grader in high school. So this picture's kind of old, but they still like they at school they would always have like jersey day, a college day, a team day, like it's just a lot of things. And for football they would wear which is their dad's team, which is Houston Texans, and my team is 49ers, although he would not let me put 49ers on them because he's like a huge Houston Texans fan. But for basketball, of course, he would be like, well, like he doesn't watch basketball and stuff like that, so he was like, okay, that's like your team. So yeah, so it was yesterday. I was asleep when I woke up and I saw what had happened, and it's really, really sad, and I'm still trying to, I don't know, think that maybe it's just a dream, that I'm still asleep, that I'll wake up. And even though I don't know him personally, but it's just so sad, especially with anybody, whether you're a celebrity or not. It's just really sad to pass away like that, in a very, very ugly way, and especially with your child. As a mother, I could not imagine what his wife Vanessa is going through, having lost your love of your life, because they've been together since she was like really, really young. I want to say maybe like 17, and then losing a child as well. So that being said, I kind of just want to do a Lakers color eyeshadow look, just representing them and all that have lost their lives in the aircraft. So we're just gonna go with the traditional, like the Lakers color, and it's just gonna represent all of them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just use like the purples from the Morphe James Charles palette from here. I'm gonna go in with the yellow first. I kind of just gonna use purples and yellow. So I have a hair on my nose. I always do that. So we're gonna go ahead and do that and just get rolling. I might talk, might not. I'm just gonna do it. It's not like really a tutorial look. I'm just gonna do fast pace, do my eyeshadow and memory of them. That's the word I was looking for. I couldn't even think. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this. I might just go fast pace and just put some music on, and yeah, let's get this started. guys, so now that that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this white one from Kat Von D. So we're gonna go ahead and cut it because I'm gonna go ahead and put some gold shadow on there, and I really want it to be like extremely out there. So let me go ahead and get me a brush that I like to use to cut the crease, and we're gonna go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so then I'm going to clean this off really quick. I'm going to go ahead and go in with the golds, and I'm going to use from the So now that I am almost done with my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my concealer and finish this look. I'm going to go back to the eyes after I'm done doing everything that I normally do. But yeah. I don't know if you guys saw the Grammys yesterday. I didn't get to see it on TV. I was in my room, but I had Hulu on, and then I was talking on the phone with my mom and stuff, and so she was telling me, and I completely forgot about the Grammys. It's just because so much tragedy and stuff happened that day that I was just kind of like, oh crap, the Grammys. And I went on YouTube live, live from the Grammys and stuff. And I have to say, like, Camila, like, I think her dad was just like so nice. I didn't get to see like every single person's performance, but I saw hers. Demi Lovato, which, oh my god, Demi Lovato, I love her voice. Her voice is just beautiful, and it was very touching when, you know, she started crying and stuff, and you can hear like what she felt through that song, and it was just really, really good. Alicia Keys, when she sang with Boyz II Men for Kobe, when it had me like in tears, and then her little piano when she was talking about, you know, the other artists there and stuff. So it was really good. I don't know if you guys saw it all. I didn't get to see it all. I just saw like bits and pieces there, here and there. But yeah. Okay. Okay, so on the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and go in with that same yellow that's in the palette. It's the only yellow if you have this, but I'm going to go really close. so this is the final look, but for my lips I don't want to go to like, I don't know, I was gonna do a nude or whatever, but I think I'm gonna go in with MAC Boy. I mean, it's gonna says Hey Boy Hey for this is the MAC and Patrick Star. Sorry, I felt like I was doing my lip, but I just feel like this is kind of like a close to like a purplish, pinkish color. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this and see how it looks. If not, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with like a nude color because we're going with the purple and the gold. I do have a gold gloss, so if I don't like this, we might do like a nude with a cool gloss. We'll see how this looks. I actually like it. I'm gonna go ahead and keep this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my purple shirt on. I don't have a Lakers like new shirt. I did have a whole bunch of them, but like I said, this is when he was like playing, and like I just had a whole bunch of them. And they're probably all in my storage. And yeah, so I do have my purple's my favorite color anyways, but I do have a purple long sleeve. I'm just gonna wear that and go ahead and get dressed. I'm probably just gonna straighten my hair a little bit, and then we will be right back, or I will be right back. Okay guys, this is the final look. I put my purple shirt on, and this is the look that I came up with. Just to rest in peace Kobe, his daughter, and the other passengers that were in the helicopter with them. So this is just a I guess like look to remember them, like in honor of them. I don't know, just like words, like it's just, I'm still shocked by it. But anyway, this is the final look. This is the look that I'm going to be wearing today. I have been wanting to do this since I heard about it yesterday, and I was thinking about it last night because I had another video planned for you guys. And so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do this instead, and the other video will be uploaded tomorrow, which was pretty good too, because my daughter, when she was getting up this morning going to dropping her off at school, she was saying like at her school, everybody was like Snapchatting each other, messaging each other last night saying like, hey, let's wear purple and gold for them. So yeah, so I was like, oh, you didn't tell me. So she's like, I can't find my yellow shirt. But anyway, that's going off the subject. So I was like, oh well, I was already going to come up with this look for today to represent a memorable, I don't even know what word to even use, but you know what I mean. Right now I can't even think, but this is what I'm wearing today. So yes, that is it. So all I'm gonna ask for really quick is just have a moment of silence for them. So let's go ahead and just do that. Okay guys, so that is it. So hopefully you guys liked this video. It wasn't really a tutorial, it was just me doing my look to like I said, in honor of them, and stuff like that. So yeah, that is it. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. Don't forget to slam the subscribe button, ring that bell to be notified of future videos. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. And before I even close this video again, just want to let you guys know that our timing is really limited. We never know when we're going to see the ones we love next, you know. And yeah, so make sure that before you guys leave, make sure that you give your kids or whoever like you live with or anything like that hugs and kisses. And yeah, try to make sure that if you guys into a little argument, make sure that you guys make it up, because you never know when it's our time to go. I know that to me, family and my family is very, very important to me. I am a mother of 2, and yes, like, you don't understand. Yeah, Dan and I, like, you know, that they're our worlds, and he's my world, I'm his world. It's just, you never know. So make sure that you guys give each other hugs and kisses, and say a lot of I love yous, and just make memories and stuff, guys. So anyway, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and just say goodbye now, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.